My name is Ez Zhang. I have been focusing on Habitat for Humanity a few months, and I would like to introduce Habitat for Humanity to somebody who wants to be donation and be a volunteer to help poor people to build houses. I make this video from my personal experience. I have already visited Fort Bend, Habitat for Humanity, and did one interview with the volunteer service director at there. Through this video will help you understand what is Habitat for Humanity and how to help poor people around you. Each year, tens of thousands of the poor people have no house to live in, or they are forced to wander in the United States. The benefits paid by the government cannot meet the requirements for many people. How to live has become a big problem for the Americans to think about. Habitat for Humanity helps people to build houses, sell to low-income families in need, and no interest would not be charged on the loans. Volunteer labor and donations of the money and materials help to build some decent houses for people who need that. They have a lot of organizations and offers in American. There is a part of Habitat Humanity. Fort Bend Habitat was founded in 1992. Today, Habitat has built more than 500,000 houses, serving 2.5 million people worldwide. In the United States alone, 95 million people has the housing problems. If you want to be a volunteer, that is not a very difficult thing for people who want to be the volunteer in Habitat. Fort Bend Habitat for Humanity offers volunteers opportunities for you to help with all aspects on housing building. There are both construction or non-construction volunteers opportunities available to you. You do not need to be an expert in construction to help out on the work site. There are many taxes and that require only a willingness to learn and work with others. They make every effort in the encourage our willing volunteers regardless of the skill level. All volunteers on the construction site must be at least 16 years of the age or older. How big is the size of the house and what kinds of the build materials does Habitat for Humanity use? Some people care about that more than total payment. Actually, Habitat's guidelines dictate that a 3-bedroom Habitat house may have no more than 1,050 square feet of living space and may use quality locally available buildings materials from donation. The design of this house is to meet the requirements of the most people. After the U.S. economy downturn, most people cannot find jobs. For those reasons, a lot of Americans cannot afford to buy a house. Some people do not go to consider buying a house, choosing instead of the rent apartment. The price of the building's materials has been on the rise. Expensive materials, expensive labor costs, and many real estate companies raise the price to sell the house. So in the U.S., the housing market has been a downward trend. The Habitat for Humanity purpose is to help low-income families to build a house and then sell to the poor people at very low price on some good affordable terms. The volunteer labor is all free and all building materials are from the donation. Habitat for Humanity will continue to help the growing number of the poor and to construct a house to help people to fulfill their dreams. Thank you for watching the video.